Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. I was thinking about something the other day with my iPhone. Suppose I lost my iPhone and the battery went dead wherever it was lost at, and you couldn't ping it on from online or anything like that. And you just couldn't track it because the battery was dead on it. And I found this thing online. It's called an AirTag case, and it has a double-sided 3M tape that's very strong, and it looks pretty neat on there. I'm gonna show you my iPhone. So I went and got one of these things, put my AirTag in there, and stuck it on the back. I don't use, this is my MagSafe. I don't use that too much, so it's all good to go. But I mean the 3M tape, this thing is not coming off of here. But if I lose my iPhone and the battery goes dead in my iPhone, I can still ping the AirTag and still find my iPhone. So yeah. So if your iPhone ever goes dead, then you'll have another way to find your iPhone because this is stuck to the back of it. So that's just an idea that I had, guys. If you want to go ahead and grab these things, now you're going to need the AirTag to go with it. Go ahead and pick one of these things up. You'll make it a great day.